In this video, I will show you how to create a pulsing effect in PowerPoint. This animation is perfect for highlighting key elements on your slides, such as a text, shapes, or image. So let's start the video. Go to the Insert tab and select the object you want to animate. Then align center, align middle from align. Choose color from shape fill. Shape outline, make it no outline. Duplicate the shape, click on object, click on right button, go to format shape and increase transparency. Go to animation and apply fade animation. Go to the animation pane and select timing. Adjust the timing and do repeat until end of slide. Click on add animation, apply grow and shrink animation. Select with previous and do repeat until end of slide. Go to effect, increase smoothened, then OK. Let's place this shape on this object. Now let's watch the slideshow. You have learned how to create a pulsing effect in PowerPoint. This animation can really make your main elements pop. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.